Hi children, today we are going to learn about one English grammar topic, that is singular and plural noun. Children, we have learnt about nouns. What is noun? Noun is a name of a person, animal, place or a thing. So today we are going to learn about singular and plural. That is singular noun and plural noun. So a noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place or thing. So a noun names one or more than one person, animal, place or thing. So first let's learn what is singular noun. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy, a rat, a house, a flower. So in these examples we can see that these are singular nouns. Here we are talking about only one person, one animal, one thing. So these are the singular nouns. So let's move on to the plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called plural nouns. Example: boys, rats, houses, flowers. So in these examples we can see that we have used s after the words. So in this examples we see that these are the plural. So for forming the plural we use mostly s after the given noun. So we add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x and z to get their plural forms. That is, the words or the nouns which ends with these letters or the alphabets, we use es after that words. For example, ostrich, ostriches, dish, dishes, mango, mangoes, bus, buses, princess, princesses, fox, foxes, quiz, quizzes. So children, sometimes some words or nouns ending with o take only s for the plural form. For example, piano. Piano spelling ends with o and its plural form does not ends with es. It ends with only s. Similarly, the words ending with x also does not ends with es in some of the words. It ends with en. For example, ox, and the plural form of ox is oxen. Now the nouns ending with y we use ies. So city, cities, country, countries, lady, ladies, fairy, fairies, army, armies, activity, activities. Here we can see that we have removed the y from these words and we have added ies to these words. So these are the plural forms. So children, here we can see some of the words ending with y, but the plural form of those words does not end with ies. So here only we add the s for its plural form. So let's see the words: monkey, monkeys, key, keys, day, days, donkey, donkeys, boy, boys, ray, rays. We use VES to the nouns that end with FE to get their plural form. Means there are some words which end with FE and F, and we use VES by removing the FE and F of the given noun. So let's see the examples: knife, knives, wife, wives, leaf, leaves, calf, calves, life, lives, wolf, wolves. So we can see here the words ending with fe and f. We have removed the fe and f and we have written ves. Now children, there are some words that do not follow this rule. So let's see example. Chef, chefs. So over here we do not remove the f, we just add s to get the plural form. Roof, roofs. Giraffe, giraffes. Safe, safes. So over here in this four examples we can see that we have not removed the f and fe, we have just added the s. So, some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. Means there are some nouns or the words which do not change their plural form. The singular and the plural form are the same. Example, ship, ship, hare, hare, deer, deer, bison, bison. So in these examples we do not use any of the rules of forming the plural nouns. So such nouns which do not form the plural in the usual way or in the regular way are called irregular nouns. Some singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. So children, which are the vowels? So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So there are total 5 vowels. So over here there are some words whose the inside vowels are changed for getting their plural form. For example, tooth. Tooth means only one tooth and teeth means many teeth. So over here the inside vowel is O and we have changed that O to double E for getting the plural form. Man and men. So over here the inside vowel is A and we have changed that vowel to E. Next, woman and woman. Over here also A and E. Here foot and here feet. The plural form of foot is feet. So children, revise all the rules of singular noun and plural nouns taught in